In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a manual paycheck in QuickBooks online. If you cut a paycheck outside of QuickBooks, maybe with a handwritten check or through your bank, and you simply need to record it in your books, this process is for you. We'll walk through creating a check, choosing the right accounts, and saving it so your register and reports are accurate. Start on your QuickBooks online dashboard and move your cursor to the Create menu, often shown as the plus new button. This opens your main list of transaction types. From here, choose Check. That brings up a blank check form designed for recording a payment you already issued. Begin by selecting the payee. Pick the employee who received the paycheck so the payment is tied to the right person. Using the correct name keeps your vendor or employee reports clean and makes year-end review easier. Next, choose the bank account the funds came from. Select the exact account you used in real life so your balance and reconciliation match. You can also confirm the check number field if you want your register to mirror the physical or bank-issued check sequence. Set the payment date. Use the date the paycheck cleared or the date on the check, according to your bookkeeping policy. This ensures the expense hits the correct month and aligns with your bank statement. In the Category Details section, select the expense account that fits wages, such as payroll expenses, wages, or salaries. This tells QuickBooks where to report the cost. If your payroll is tracked more granularly, like by department or job, you can use the same area to assign classes, locations, or memo notes for clarity. Add a clear description. Include the pay period, for example, net pay for 3/1/3/15, so anyone reviewing the register knows exactly what this payment covers. Enter the amount of the paycheck. Record the net amount that actually left the bank. If you need to reflect splits for things like reimbursements or specific allocations, you can add additional lines with the same total still equaling the net check. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll see the check appear in your account register and reflected on your expense reports. Saving here captures the payment you already made. It doesn't run payroll or calculate taxes. That's it. You hovered over Create, clicked Check, selected the payee, bank account, and date, chose a category, added a description, entered the amount, and saved. Follow these steps each time you record a manual paycheck to keep your books accurate and audit ready.